As in triangle PQR, PQ is 7, QR is 10, and PR is 8. We have to find PI over IU. As you can see from the diagram, you see that PU, QS, and RT are angle bisectors. As you can see, they bisected the angles, the vertex angle, as you can see, into two congruent angles. Do you see? So there is a property that if you are to find the ratio of the angle bisector, so I'm saying that like PI over IU is now equal to the sum of side PQ and side PR over QR. So if I'm looking for the ratio of PI is to IU, it's now the sum of this and this over that. So from this, you see the answer is PQ is what? PQ is 7 plus PR is 8 over 10. So our answer is 15 over 10, which is 3 over 2. So option C. So also, we've gotten the answer. Also, if I'm to get QI is to IS, is the same. You add PQ and as you can see, we'll see. So we add this side and this side. PQ plus QR over PR. So if you are looking for RI over IT is now equal to PR plus QR over PQ. So that's how we got the answer. But let me now prove this. Let's prove it. So we have the same diagrams. So from what I've said, an angle bisector, let's start the definition, is a Savian that divides the vertex angle into two congruent angles. Okay, you might not be conversant with Savian. It's just a Savian is a line segment from a vertex of a triangle to the opposite side so as you can see, AD is a Savian, BF is a Savian, C is a Savian, and since they bisect the vertex angle, they are all called angle bisectors. So let's now prove what we want to. Okay, let me just let's just write for writing's sake, AD BF CE are all Savian, and since they bisect their vertex angle, they are now angle bisectors. So we still have other Savians like median. So let's prove that. To prove it, we need two diagrams. So if you have, okay, let me just copy this. So before I will solve that question, let's recap two theorems. The first one, our angle bisector theorem. Yes. So if we call this length C, this length A, while this length B. So by angle bisector theorem, we know that AB over BC is equal to AR over RC. Yes. So that's the first thing. Again, remember this is ratio, not the actual length of the side, the ratio. So again, assuming you are given 6 oranges and you have to divide it in the ratio of 1:2 to 2 persons. So I think the actual number of orange the first person will get will be 1/3. That's 1 plus 2 times this total number of oranges. So the first person will get 2 oranges, while the second person will get 2 over 1 plus 2 times 6, which is 4 oranges. So which is the same as the ratio 1:2. So to get the actual length now, so meaning that this is C over, so to get AR, which implies that AR is now C, which is like 1 over C plus A, because they have the same ratio. This is AB over BC is C over A. So but the actual length now is now C over C plus A times B, which is the total length. Again, to get RC, that same logic is now A over C plus A times B. So we'll have AB over C. So that's the logic now. So let's go over here. So meaning that the length here, so here is still C, this is A, y here will now be CB over A plus C or C plus A. Y here is AB over A plus C. If you add this, we still get B. The total length is B. So we've used the first diagram. So look at this. This is the actual. So we see that BI over IR is now C over CB over A plus C. Yes. That same logic, that the ratio this over this is the same thing as this over this, or the other way around. This over this is the same as this over this. So we now see that CC will now have A plus C over B. So A plus C over B. So let's go over to the diagram. So assuming I label here, finally I want to draw the conclusion. So as you can see, if here is small letter C, this one is small letter B, while this one is small letter A. So we've proved that as long as these are angle bisectors, that AI over AID for the first one is now C plus B over A, as you can see. See, it's BI over IR is now A. A is here. The length here is A. So you add the other side over the other side. So that's it. I've proved it. So whenever you are asked the kind of question, let's finish up. B I over IF is now A plus C over B, and CI over IE, CI over I, which is A plus B over C. So we've proved that. Thank you.